Welcome, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that many people over the age of 60 don't talk about enough: how to naturally boost libido in your later years. As we age, many experience a natural decline in sexual desire and performance due to a range of factors like hormonal changes, stress, and physical health challenges. But here's the good news. You don't have to resign yourself to these changes. There are many natural herbs, foods, and supplements that can support your libido and help you feel more energized, vibrant, and confident. Whether you've noticed a change in your libido or you're just interested in keeping your sexual health in peak condition as you age, this video is packed with solutions that work. We'll cover maca, ashwagandha, zinc, ginseng, and many other natural boosters, helping you to understand how they work, how to use them, and how to incorporate them into your life. But before we dive into these herbs and supplements, let's talk briefly about the aging process and how it affects libido. Understanding libido. After 60, libido, or sexual desire, can be impacted by many different factors as we age. It's a natural process, but that doesn't mean you have to simply accept it. When we're young, our hormones are high, our bodies are full of energy, and sexual health often feels like an afterthought. But once we hit our 50s and 60s, there are some significant changes that occur that can affect our libido. Hormonal shifts. One of the biggest changes we experience as we age is a shift in hormone levels, particularly the production of sex hormones like testosterone and estrogen. Testosterone, which plays a significant role in both male and female sexual health, begins to decline as we age. In men, testosterone levels decrease steadily after the age of 30, and by the time men reach their 60s, they may have significantly lower levels, which can result in reduced libido. In women, estrogen levels begin to decrease as they approach menopause, which can lead to vaginal dryness, reduced desire, and difficulty achieving orgasm. Physical and mental health factors. Aside from hormones, your overall health plays a major role in libido. If you're experiencing fatigue, stress, or health issues like high blood pressure, diabetes, or arthritis, it can affect your sex drive. Medications for these conditions can also have side effects that lower libido. It's a catch-22. The less energy and vitality you feel, the less interest you may have in sex, and the lower your libido goes, the more it can affect your mental and emotional state. Lifestyle factors. Physical activity is one of the most overlooked aspects of maintaining a healthy libido. A sedentary lifestyle can lead to poor circulation, weight gain, and fatigue, all factors that directly impact libido. On the other hand, regular exercise boosts circulation, increases energy levels, and supports a healthy hormonal balance, all of which can keep your libido intact. Diet, sleep, and stress management are equally important. What we eat, how we sleep, and how we cope with stress are critical for maintaining healthy sexual function. The role of maca in boosting libido. Let's start with maca, one of the most popular and well-researched herbs when it comes to improving libido. Maca, scientifically known as Lepidium mayeni, is a root vegetable native to the high-altitude regions of Peru. It has been used for centuries by the indigenous people of the Andes for a variety of purposes, including boosting stamina, energy, and sexual function. How does maca work? Maca is considered an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body adapt to stress and balance its internal systems. It's also known for its ability to regulate hormone levels, which is why it's particularly effective for libido support. Research has shown that maca can increase sexual desire and improve energy levels by balancing estrogen and testosterone levels in both men and women. In men, maca has been found to improve sperm quality and sexual function, potentially boosting testosterone production, which is essential for libido. For women, maca can help alleviate symptoms related to menopause, including low libido, hot flashes, and mood swings by helping balance estrogen levels. Scientific evidence. Several studies have explored the effects of maca on sexual health. One study, published in BMC Complementary Medicine, showed that maca significantly increased sexual desire in both men and women, and that it could be particularly effective in women experiencing sexual dysfunction due to menopause. Another study conducted by the University of Milan confirmed that maca has the ability to enhance sexual performance by improving mood and reducing fatigue. Overall, the research supports the idea that maca can be a powerful ally in boosting libido and sexual function after 60. How to use maca. Maca is available in various forms: powder, capsules, and liquid extracts. You can add maca powder to smoothies, oatmeal, or baked goods, or take it as a supplement in capsule form for convenience. The typical recommended dosage is between 1.5 to 3 grams per day. Ashwagandha and its benefits for libido. Next, we'll discuss ashwagandha, a herb that has been used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic medicine for its adaptogenic properties. Ashwagandha, or Withania somnifera, is well known for its ability to reduce stress, improve energy levels, and enhance mental clarity. But did you know that it also plays a crucial role in boosting libido? How ashwagandha works. Ashwagandha helps to reduce cortisol levels in the body, which is essential because high cortisol, a stress hormone, can wreak havoc on your libido. When you're stressed, your body prioritizes survival over other functions, like sex, which is why chronic stress often leads to decreased libido. By lowering cortisol levels, ashwagandha helps bring balance to the body, improving mood and sexual desire. Additionally, ashwagandha may increase testosterone production. Studies have shown that ashwagandha supplementation can boost testosterone levels in men, which is directly linked to increased sexual desire and improved sexual performance. Women also benefit from ashwagandha's ability to balance hormones and reduce stress, leading to a more relaxed and engaged sexual experience. Scientific evidence. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychology found that ashwagandha significantly reduced stress and improved sexual function in both men and women. Another clinical trial demonstrated that ashwagandha supplementation increased testosterone levels in men and improved their sexual health, including enhancing erectile function and libido. How to use ashwagandha. Ashwagandha can be taken as capsules, powders, or tinctures. The typical dosage is around 300 to 600 milligrams per day, with a preference for the standardized extract. You can add ashwagandha powder to smoothies, teas, or even soups for a nutritious boost. Zinc, the essential mineral for hormonal health. Next up is zinc, an essential mineral that plays a critical role in many bodily functions, including immune system health, protein synthesis, and hormone production. But zinc is particularly important when it comes to sexual health, especially for boosting libido. How zinc supports libido. Zinc is directly involved in the production of testosterone, a hormone that is critical for sexual desire and performance in both men and women. A deficiency in zinc can result in low testosterone levels, which is a common contributor to reduced libido. Zinc also helps regulate estrogen levels in women, making it essential for maintaining a healthy balance of sex hormones. In addition to its role in hormone production, zinc is important for circulation, which is crucial for sexual health. Adequate zinc intake helps improve blood flow, including to the genital area, which can enhance sexual arousal and pleasure. Scientific evidence. Studies have shown that zinc supplementation can increase testosterone levels in men, improving sexual desire and erectile function. In women, zinc supplementation has been linked to improved sexual arousal and satisfaction. One study published in the Journal of Human Reproductive Sciences found that zinc deficiency was associated with sexual dysfunction in both men and women, further highlighting its importance for libido. How to get more zinc. Zinc-rich foods include shellfish, pumpkin seeds, cashews, beans, meat, and dairy products. If you're not getting enough zinc through food, you can consider supplementation, typically in doses of 15 to 30 milligrams per day. Be sure to consult a healthcare provider before starting a zinc supplement, as excessive zinc intake can lead to negative side effects. Ginseng, a traditional herb for vitality. Ginseng, particularly Panax ginseng, is another powerful herb that has been used for centuries to enhance vitality, stamina, and libido. Ginseng is well known in traditional medicine for its aphrodisiac properties and its ability to increase energy levels and sexual performance. How ginseng boosts libido. Ginseng works by improving blood circulation, including to the sexual organs. This increased circulation can enhance sexual arousal, improve erectile function, and support overall sexual performance. It's also believed to balance hormones, including testosterone, making it particularly effective for boosting libido in both men and women. Additionally, ginseng can help reduce fatigue, which is a common problem as we age and a contributor to reduced libido. By increasing energy and stamina, ginseng allows individuals to feel more engaged and interested in sexual activity. Scientific evidence. Numerous studies support the efficacy of ginseng for enhancing libido. A study published in BJU International showed that ginseng supplementation significantly improved erectile function and sexual performance in men. Another study demonstrated that ginseng improved sexual arousal and satisfaction in women as well. How to use ginseng. Ginseng is available in many forms, including capsules, teas, and extracts. The recommended dosage typically ranges from 200 to 400 milligrams per day of standardized ginseng extract. For an added boost, you can enjoy ginseng tea or add ginseng powder to smoothies. Other noteworthy herbs and supplements. In addition to maca, ashwagandha, zinc, and ginseng, several other herbs and supplements can play a role in enhancing libido after 60. Let's briefly explore some of the most effective options. Tribulus terrestris, a plant extract that has long been used to support testosterone production. Tribulus is known for enhancing sexual desire and improving erectile function. Horny goat weed. This herb is a traditional aphrodisiac that works by increasing blood flow to the sexual organs, improving sexual function and performance. L-arginine, an amino acid that helps improve circulation by increasing nitric oxide production. It can be especially useful for enhancing arousal and improving sexual performance. Vitamin D. This vitamin plays a crucial role in hormone production, including testosterone, and is essential for sexual health. Many people are deficient in vitamin D, especially as they age, so supplementation can improve libido. Finally, to wrap up, maintaining a healthy libido after 60 is possible with the right support from herbs, foods, and supplements. Whether you choose maca, ashwagandha, zinc, ginseng, or other natural remedies, these substances can help bring balance to your hormones, reduce stress, and improve blood flow, all of which are crucial for maintaining a healthy sex drive. Remember, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplementation, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting below with your experiences or any additional tips you may have. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.